What is going on, guys? Today I have a very cool review here of the BOYA Magic. So this is a multiple microphone set. It's what I'm talking into right now. So not only is this a handheld microphone, but this also has built-in lavalier microphones that you can remove and place on your shirt. So we're going to be testing both of them, but I quickly just wanted to go over the sound test of what the BOYA Magic mic sounded like. So this is from the main kind of arm here. You have a couple different options. You have this little sleeve on here, but then you also have a lot fluffier pop filter that you can slide down on there. I'm not entirely sure where to speak into this, so I'm giving you a couple different things here. How does it sound when you get real up close? Is it a nice dynamic microphone? And then for the individual little lav mics themselves, you also have little pop filters on them too. So I will give you a close-up look of what these little individual guys look like, and then I will do sound tests of those as well. First, I'm going to go ahead and take this pop filter off and show you on camera kind of what this thing looks like. So now we've switched to one of the tiny little mics here. I can see the indicator light is green, and it's also green on here. And I can also put this pop filter on. And that just kind of clicks on there. So how does that sound in terms of a very, very small microphone? I can also get a second one, and I should see another green dot pop up on the receiver. I do. And right here I do too. So what I noticed here after reading the instructions is that the green button here means that noise canceling is on. So notice you cannot hear my ceiling fan above me. But when I switch to blue, you should be able to hear it a lot more clear. So this thing is pretty sweet. I will give you guys some close-up shots here of everything that comes in the kit. But the fact that you have both a big microphone and two tiny lavalier microphones that each both have a clip, or they have a magnet, so you can place them kind of anywhere on your shirt without having to clip them. The magnet is always nice to see. You can clip them on your hat, anything like that. Or if you're going around interviewing people, you have a nice microphone like that. I know a lot of people prefer these kind of mics. So a lot of different options here. I would consider it the BOYA Magic. It is pretty magic. I've never seen anything like this, but it's a very cool product. So I will have links for it down below, as well as all my other microphone reviews up here. Check them out.